Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu exiled the Jews and the Christians from the land of Hijaz. For when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam captured Khaybar, he intended to expel the Jews from there. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam captured it, that land was for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, His Apostle and the Muslims. So when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended to expel the Jews submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, let us stay there, and we must toil there and get the half of the yield. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, we will permit you to stay here as long as we please. So they will be allowed to stay there until Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu exiled them to Taima and Ariha. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2338.